Hello teacher, my name is Angel and I'm 26 years old. On my last vacation, I to Mancora Beach with my family. We traveled by bus and stayed in a small hotel. I ate rice with seafood and enjoyed the sea. I felt very happy and relaxed because the wet was honey. This semester I'm going to study harder and organize my time better. I am going to attend my class and complete my assignments. I feel motivated and responsible because this semester is important for my future. Goodbye.